Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart, and I'm back with a one lot die destash. So I have gotten some dies in like a, what was it? A Molly Square had a, warehouse box, and I have to stop buying those unless I know specifically the company or what's in there, because I've been pretty disappointed in a lot of, it's like, I don't know. I would say 25% of the warehouse boxes I get, I am happy with. And I would say the other 75% is really stuff that I just think is either A, just really old or crap, or B, just really stuff I can't use. And so that just has been happening a lot. So anyway, I've got one lot of dies, and then some of them are things that I thought I would love, and then I tried to cut them out, and they're just not my thing. Okay, so there's that, and I figure just because it's not my thing doesn't mean it's not going to be someone else's thing. So this is PayPal only. It's US only because the shipping would just be outrageous. It gets sent in a priority envelope. It fits very snugly. So let me show you what I have. So first I have this Sizzlitz banner and keys die. It's brand new. I've used it one time to cut out, see how I felt about it. I've got this die right here, which is a Craft a Card die. It is by First Edition Craft. It's a 5x7 die. It's never been opened, never been used. I have this one, which is La Craftina Hot Air Balloon Ultimate Crafts die. Never been opened, never been used. Oh, also this die, which is a snowflake die. Never opened, never been used. I have this Brenda Walton Swan and Leafy Frame die. I have one just almost exactly like it. Even though I love the packaging of it, I just can't keep something because I love the packaging. But it never opened, never used. This Grad Cap card die from the Paper Smooches. Never used, never opened. This Happy Anniversary Memory Box die, never opened, never used. This Concord and Ninth letter N die, never opened, never used. Let's see. This Brenda Walton Stars die, used one time. It's a Biggs die, but I've never used it. This die right here, which is the Flowering Dogwood Branches Heartfelt Creations die. And then this one, which is a tag die. It is, let's see, got a lot of dies here, a lot of card making style dies, tag dies, squares, and things like that. So I think that's everything. So let me figure out how much I'm going to charge. Okay, so this lot right here shipped is $40 shipped. So if you're interested in this $40 shipped lot, I think it's a steal. Please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, which is also my PayPal, to make sure that it's still available. And then when you send me the money, I would like it sent as friends and family, so I don't get charged a fee, because I am selling it very, very cheaply. So I spent way more than that on these dies. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Crying with the Heart.